Hello. So today we'll see something which is very easier. It is called effects. Okay, we have a fire, a smoke, flow, lightning and shutter. We'll go one by one. You can select any object and click on the fire. But here I'm not going to create, I go for the fireworks directly. You see that when you play, the fireworks will start, appear. I go for Alt B for the background black. Now you can see. When you select this, you can see this. The counts, sparkle counts. You can increase and decrease. And you can see that numbers are more now. You can just do the normal render. But to control the glow, we have to control on the material. The second thing is, in effects, flow. It's interesting one. First you need a curve, create, curve, CV curve. Okay, Alt B, front view, and draw a curve something like this. And it's very simple that when you go for the flow, create curve flow, just click, but you have to select the curve. What will happen is you can create particles according to the shape of the lines. Now just click create. Now we have created, and you can see some of the circles are there and emitters are there. I just start play. Okay, I go for the 4 mode so that you can see the particles. See, the particles are flowing one place to another place according to the curve flow. Increase your duration into 300. Now select this curves. If you are increasing this curve, you can see that particle will adapt to the shape. You can see this, lots of birds are flying in one particular direction, or the bees are going one particular direction, or wherever the curve is flowing. You can do it. For example, I go for the simple shape. Select the shape. Okay. Make sure you are decreasing your segments. 1. Shift select this particle. Then we can go for the instancer. Okay, in particle, instancer. Once you click, this particle, so this shape will go and connect with the particle. You see? Now if you rotated this, you can see this. Suppose if you want to animate, if you want to go with a B, so everything is become B. Here, since it's instancer, when you do up and down, you see that everything is changed the shape. Suppose you want to animate this, everything will animate. So this is called curve flow. If it is a surface flow, you have to select the mesh and click the surface flow. Surface means knobs. Select the knobs. Increase the scale size. Increase the patches. And change up and down. And use a B for soft selection. Select and click on the create surface flow. Now you can see, according to the flow, it's directed from here to here. Okay, I go for a 4 mode. Now go back again, play now. You can see that according to the surface, the curve, the particles are moving left to right, only according to the surfaces. So this is the surface flow. You can delete both by using the delete flow, but you can delete any